Did you know you can make a video into a live wallpaper? I'll show you how. Go to the App Store and find Into Life. I already have it installed. Go ahead and click Next. Okay. And get started, allow access. And this is what it's going to look like. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'm going to go ahead and go into pexels.com. I'm going to type in whatever I want to look for. In this case, I'm going to do nature. Here, I'm going to go ahead and change this to vertical videos. Now we have nature videos. Make it like this one. I'll go ahead and do free download. Airdrop this to my iPhone. Now that I have the video on my iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and open Into Life. I'm going to refresh here. I'm going to select this one. Go ahead and make the video. No repeat. Save to life. Go ahead and ignore this. Save into my video. Go into settings. Find wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper. I'm going to go to all videos. We're going to go here. Set lock screen. Now if I turn this off and I look at my wallpaper and I tap to hold, we can see someone walking. And again, you could do this with any video. I personally like pixels, but you could choose any video you want. Cheers, enjoy.